Good morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, October 25th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Here's Lily to announce our Friendly Falcon.
Today's Friendly Falcon is Julia Wright in Miss Winfrey's class. Julia was nominated by Natalie, who said she is always so supportive. I can talk to her about anything. Congratulations, Julia, and thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind.
This week is Red Ribbon Week. Today we are red dye to make healthy choices for a healthy life. Tomorrow let's make healthy choices for a bright future and wear bright or neon colors.
Woo, let's go. Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton it will be sunny with a high of 84 degrees and a low of 68 degrees. It's getting colder.
Today in history, in 1954, President Eisenhower conducts the first televised cabinet meeting.
In the headlines, new study reports positive numbers of endangered gorilla species. New studies estimated the global population of endangered gorillas reported. Good news for rangers, nonprofits, and caretakers who have been saving the endangered animal. From the previous estimate of 3,800 gorillas, the number has almost doubled to 6,800. The lead author of the new study said, "It is a tribute to the courage and dedication of the biologists from the Congo who took part." Wow, that's amazing.
Today's fun fact is, cats are not able to taste anything that is sweet.
What?
Wow. That is really weird.
Yeah, it's so weird. Now for the joke of the day. Hey Everett, why did the coffee file a police report?
I don't know what.
Because it got mugged.
Ha ha ha. That's all for today.
Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Everett.
And I'm Carter. That's Larry, and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. See you next time.